Suyachai MLA movie. Let's begin. Nambirajan, Satyaraj, and Whiskey, Gondamani, are lorry drivers and best friends. Both of them are very helpful to MLA Arivudaya, Nassar, with all his work. Nambirajan's sister Priya, Ammu, loves a rich boy Rakesh. Nambirajan and Rakush's father Muthaiya, Rajan P. Dev, then prepare their engagement. In the function, Muthaiya talks ill about Nambirajan's poverty and insults him. Muthaiya says that he would wed his son with Nambirajan's sister only when Nambirajan becomes a rich person. He also says that he would wed his daughter, Abitha, to Nambirajan at that time. General elections are announced in the state, and the ruling party refuses to again give seat to Arivudayan. He insults the party district leaders and decides to contest as independent candidate. But Arivudaya is killed before filing nomination. So, Nambirajan contests in his place, and by luck wins the election by 1% vote, and becomes an MLA. At the same time, the ruling party MKM gets 116 seats, and opposition TKM also gets 116 seats, with 1 seat's election postponed due to death of candidate. Since Nambirajan's support can give either party majority in the house, both parties try to pull him into their coalition. TKM succeeds and Nambirajan visits their HQ. He asks their leader Kumaran to give him PWD minister post, and this causes the front runner for that post to threaten to leave the group. Then Nambirajan asks for Kumaran to give up his post in the cabinet to avoid further issue. Since Kumaran was posed to become chief minister, Nambirajan promises him to serve as rubber stamp CM. In order to fulfill his dream, Kumaran gives up the CM post and becomes deputy chief minister instead. Nambirajan starts off to work with clean hands, but the roughness of all politicians forces him to corruption. He earns thousands of crores of black money. When he starts to push Kumaran out of the party, they engage in Cold War, resulting in the party siding with Nambirajan and Kumaran being kept as backbench MLA. Kumaran and MMK leader Nathan then blame corruption charges of Nambirajan. Nambirajan accepts the charges and forces the court to indict all MLAs, including Kumaran and Nathan, as accomplices. The legislature is dissolved, and clean candidates are elected in the new elections.